So we have lots of ways that we can use ultrasound, and one of them, which is one of the ways ultrasound got started, is by looking for leaks. So if we pressurize this little vessel here and we create a leak, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that hissing as it causes turbulence. So depending on the pressure we see and the size of the hole, we will have that hissing, that turbulence. The ultrasound can pick that up, whereas your ears never would. And instead, if we create a vacuum in there instead, let it create the vacuum and let it leak. This time it's sucking inward, but we can use ultrasound, and there's tricks of how to do all these sorts of things. But look, the leaks can cost you money. In a compressed air system, you can see in this case, the bigger the hole, more air escapes. It's costing you more and more and more money. Steam, likewise, can cost you a lot. But when you are looking for leaks, just remember that not only is there that distance rule, you got to look at what the sensor, what it's actually detecting. And so even though you might be pointing it in a particular direction, it's actually hearing in this, like I showed 30 degrees, but it's 30 degrees from horizontal. It's really 60 degrees. Think of it like I drew this as a flashlight, because it's sort of like you had a flashlight that shone a light at 30 degrees out from the flashlight or the torch. In this case, all the sound in this area is all detectable by this device. So the closer we get to the target, we sort of narrow down where the leak actually is. And of course, the amplitude's going up as well. So there are also, you can see here's another way of representing the frequency information and the amplitude information, and we can listen to it at the same time. You can see there it's called a spectrogram, so we can see what's going on as we do the tests. And of course, this is a great place for the visual sonic imaging. Helps us visualize where the leaks are, and certainly that's nice. You can take a screen capture of that and say, well, okay, I'm showing you exactly where the leak is, and it's easier to prove there's a leak, and it's easier to find the location where the leak must be repaired.